Revival. Hand of God Church of All Nations, the headquarters, Georgia, Volta Region, Ghana, presents Easter Revival Program with the theme is Power and Glory. Date Friday 29 through Sunday 31st March 2024. Time 8 a.m. each day. Host Apostle Victor Mbati. Friday 29th of March 2024, morning section 8 a.m. there will be prophetic healing and deliverance. Evening section 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. it's an evening service of prophecy at the Prayer Mountain.
But when we put it all together, this is what we like to call you. Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, Jesus. That's what we call you, yeah. You were born in a manger. But on a tree you died to save a man.
Saturday, the 30th of March 2024, time 8 a.m. There will be prophetic healing and deliverance, and the man of God, Apostle Victor Mbati, will lay hands on everyone that attend this program. Evening session 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. is an evening of special ministration with honor. Sunday, the grand finale, 31st of March 2024, the Sunday of Resurrection, and special blessed communion service of prophecy, time 8 a.m. Ministering Apostle Victor Mbati. For booking, accommodation and inquiry, please call +233 244 151 563 or +233 507 223 727. Don't miss it. Be there.